What if a small daily habit, something as simple as eating just 5 prunes a day for 1 week, could quietly start influencing two of the most important systems in your body? Your digestive system, working non-stop behind the scenes, and your bones, silently maintaining your strength and structure every single day. Now here's what makes this interesting. Modern nutrition research has been paying closer attention to this small dried fruit, not just as a snack, but for what it may actually do inside the body over a short period of time. Because even within just 7 days, its effects may go further than most people would ever expect at first glance. What happens to your digestive system? Let's start with the digestive system, because this is where the changes usually begin first. Prunes are naturally rich in dietary fiber. And fiber is one of the most important components for gut health. There are 2 types here, soluble and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool. That helps stimulate natural movement through the intestines. In simple terms, it supports regular bowel function. But that's only part of the story. Prunes also contain a natural compound called sorbitol. Sorbitol acts as a mild osmotic agent, meaning it helps draw water into the colon. That extra water softens stool consistency naturally. This is one of the reasons prunes are widely known for supporting relief from occasional constipation. But the impact doesn't stop at bowel movements. The fiber in prunes also feeds beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria are part of what's called the gut microbiome. And when the microbiome is balanced, digestion becomes more efficient overall. Nutrient absorption improves. Gas and bloating may decrease. And the entire digestive process becomes more predictable and stable. Some research even suggests that a healthier gut environment may be linked to better energy regulation and overall well-being. Over time, the digestive system essentially becomes more organized in its function. All from a small, natural food source. Now, what happens to your bones? Now let's talk about something most people don't expect, bones. Because bones are often seen as static. But in reality, they are living tissue. Constantly going through a process of breakdown and rebuilding. And nutrition plays a major role in that balance. Prunes contain powerful plant compounds called polyphenol. These act as antioxidants. Their job is to help reduce oxidative stress in the body. And oxidative stress is one of the factors linked to bone deterioration over time. Prunes also contain vitamin K. Vitamin K plays an essential role in bone mineralization. It helps activate proteins that bind calcium into the bone matrix. Without it, the bone-building process becomes less efficient. On top of that, prunes provide minerals like potassium and magnesium. Both are important for maintaining a stable internal environment for bone metabolism. Some nutritional studies have found that regular prune intake may help slow down bone loss, especially in populations at higher risk for reduced bone density. But it's important to understand why. It's not one single nutrient doing all the work. It's a combination effect. Lower oxidative stress. Better mineral balance. Reduced inflammation signals in the body. All of these contribute to maintaining bone health over time. And importantly, this is not an instant effect. It's a long-term nutritional influence. The kind that builds gradually with consistency. That's why prunes are often studied as part of dietary strategies for bone health support. So when you look at something like prunes, it doesn't seem impressive at first. Just a small dried fruit. But inside the body, it interacts with multiple systems at once. The digestive system responds through fiber and hydration balance. The bones respond through antioxidants and mineral support. And over time, these small effects add up. Because in nutrition, it's rarely about one big change. It's about consistent, small inputs shaping long-term outcomes. And this is where simple foods can sometimes have surprising impact. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new